doesn't make sense now.
So ngayon, no, first time lang namin gagawin bigla ang flight ng pag may asawa kang FA. So binook niya ako ng bigla ang flight. So ano oras na? 6:20 na, so medyo late na tayo. So check-in baggage pa. Kaya hinad tayo ng mga kapatid ko. Hindi na sila nagsimba. Kasi nakalimutan ko ngayon nga pala yung alis. Yan, dito na tayo sa airport, no. Yan, no, thank you guys, thank you. Yeah. First solo trip to. Hindi ko alam gagawin ko. Pag nawala ako, mag-chat tala ako sa inyo, ah. Oh, shoutout muna kayo. Shoutout ko lang mama, Jackal, daddy. Yeah. Guys, no, nakapasok na ako ng immigration. Akala ko napakalayan ng pupunta akong gate 1. Buti na lang, dito lang. Binigay sa akin na seat 49. 49. Punta pala ako ng aeroplano, may obligasyon na agad ako. Punta ako sa may aeroplano. First time natin mag-solo travel, no? Nagka-travel naman tayo pero first time ko mag-solo travel. And then biglaan pa. Meron pa tayong 10 hours para mag-trip at pumunta sa ibang lugar. So 1 AM ang landing ko ngayon, so medyo close pa halos lahat ng so, ang first kong goal is kailangan ko mapagana yung internet.
Oh yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in USDON. I get too crazy, got a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when this cup ends, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again, you know.
Tingnan natin kung makakapag-stay ako doon sa motel na chinecheck ko kasi halos 8 hours pa ako maghihintay sa asawa ko, no? So let's see. Dito tayo sa labas ngayon ng Bali. Kaya ako walang alam dito. Hindi naman ako nag-research kung anong gagawin ko dito. Pinapunta na ako bigla ng asawa ko dito. So ngayon lang ako nag-check kung saan ako pwede mag-stay kasi 10 AM pa siya makakaland. So kailangan ako mag-stay kahit na paano kasi 2 AM pa lang ngayon. So guys, good morning. 8 AM na dito sa Bali. Yung asawa ko nandiyan na. Let's go. Para tayo sa kanya. This is it. Pansit.
Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only go like once. Life moves fast and you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you do what you want.
I can see ya. Ayun. Ayun, ang maganda ko asawa, guys. Hanggat di niya ako nakikita. Hello, successful. Hello, B! Kasama ko na asawa ko, guys. Nakapunta na ako, B. Kaya mo na ako iwan.
Wow.
Pwede na ako mag-solo travel. Breakfast for today.
First breakfast.
First breakfast. Ito, ubi halaya. Jam.
First breakfast in Indonesia.
Ang healthy naman yan. Ito, ano to?
Ito na yung ano mo.
Ang cute! Nasi goreng. Authentic yan, guys. Paalis na kami ngayon, mamamasal kami sa Bali. Let's see kung saan tayo makakapunta. Ano, may naiya siya, vloggerist ako. We're just waiting for the Grab. Pupunta kami ng... Saan yan?
Kuta Beach.
Kuta Beach. Papasyal na ako, guys.
Round the city, round the clock. Everybody needs you. No, you can't make everybody eat. Although you got boo-boo family, you don't even got nobody being honest with you. Beat the light evaporate. My whole body see-through, transportation handmade.
Hello, guys. Ano to, B? Mahirap banggitin eh. Kuta Beach. Sa gilid namin yung malls. And sa may left side naman namin is yung beach. Mag-walk lang kami muna. Walk around.
Wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby,
So dito kami kakain, guys. Warong Kampong. So good. Saan yan? Ito. Isang beer. Pilsen. Same lang naman ata sila eh. Sarap. Para siyang chang.
Chang ng Singapore.
Hindi. Vietnam.
Vietnam.
So, rate ko siya 9. Wala kang maisip eh. Pare-pares na lang lasa eh.
I-rate niya daw yung drinks
Rate natin
ko.
to, guys. Walang ganito sa Pinas. Fanta Ras Strawberry. Parang soft drinks na matabang.
Matabang? Akala ko matamis.
Parang soft drinks na matabang.
Baka kasi nag-beer ka, kaya
Siguro
matabang
6.
sa'yo.
6 ako sa Fanta. Okay ko naman. Grabe, ang ganda ng asawa ko.
Hindi siya matabang. Saks lang.
Rate mo. From 1 to 10.
7.
Ang baba din. Bakit ang baba din? Hindi ka nasarapan.
Ano lang? Blend lang. I mean, hindi siya ganun katamis.
Sabi ng asawa ko, ako daw mag-rate kasi lagi naman siya nandito. So, kuha tayo ng isang mahirap bigasin na pangalan. Nasi goreng, itlog. Moment of truth. Cheers. Cheers.
I do that 3-4 times again, I testify for you. I feel that like you, that bitch I do it. All that whole crime was kidding. I'm not. Long if you joking, now here for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning through it. I your bodies. Long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I get lost when I'm with you.
Alabi, hindi ko may rate mo sa massage mo.
Massage ko, pwede na. 8.
Sa akin wala. Minano lang ako, para akong nilangisan lang. Parang minantikaan lang buong katawan ko. Hindi okay lang, sige, pagod na siguro si Kuya. Bawi lang tayo sa bangko.
Wow, gusto ko nga mag-Bangkok.
Amore. I could remember you call in the parking lot in Tucson. Yeah, you with me in the fan with the roof gone. I pull up like Jimmy Neutron. I can help you get a move on. Like you hard, I know. You let the go slow, but we could go faster.
Dito na ako sa airport guys. Bumili muna ako doon. Kasi sagad daw yan. I don't know. Let's see.
Slide city, you know what that means. I'm coming up on you quickly. I bring nice things. Slide city, you're the man trying to get in the bed. So I'ma get slouched instead. I know it's gonna make you beg. But what I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you, babe? What would I do if I didn't love you?
Ivy!
Just wanna be the one to give you what you want. I could put you in any shade around, right around town with your hair down low.
Baby boy, you stay on my mind. I feel my best.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, I can't go by without my best.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Mixed berry frozen yogurt.
Yo, bro. What's up, bro?